Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I want to do a little test together with you. You probably have seen a lot of content popping up around the topic of making money with YouTube Shorts. This is why I thought, why don't we try together to set up a YouTube channel, have a look if we can use AI to generate the content for us, run the channel basically on autopilot. We will use two tools for that. I will show you one tool in this video where we can actually take longer clips of channels that you like or channels that you decided you go into this niche. Then this tool will actually break down or find automatically the best short format. Actually, you can already export it. So you just put in a long form video, it will export 10 shorts for you that you can publish to your channel, start to get subscribers, views, hopefully. The second tool I will show you will be used more for generating news content or some content we have already. So let's get started, jump straight into the video. We will first of all set up a new YouTube channel, then we will start to produce our shorts. So I've set up a Google account already, so I will just go ahead here, create a channel. The name of the channel, I just decided to call it something like Crypto Pro. One of my interests, as you may know, is crypto, so I'm into crypto, so it's easy for me to understand the crypto market. The financial market, if you do some research, is actually a very profitable market in this industry. So we can just go ahead, put something like Crypto Pro. I tried Crypto Pros. It's probably already taken here. Crypto Pro X. We just try some stuff out here. If this is free, we just go for Crypto Pro X. So we'll just create this channel now with Crypto Pro X. It will be a short channel. It's creating the channel now, as you see. I will be back. The channel is ready. So I have reloaded the channel. The channel is now active. It's Crypto Pro X. What you can do is, of course, modify the customized channel. So we'll just go ahead, customize the channel. As soon as I have customized the channel, I will be back. As you see, I'm using Leonardo now to create or try to create the logo. I just typed in Crypto Pro X, nice clean logo for crypto YouTube channel. Click on ideas, see what prompts it comes up with. A sleek modern logo for crypto YouTube channel, featured bold, blah, 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 transform your crypto YouTube. I will just try the second one here, see what comes up. So this is now the search trying to generate a crypto logo. As you can see here, these are the other tries. I don't really like any of them, so I will give it a last try. Yes, I think this is something we can work with. This is very much Bitcoin related, but I think this is totally fine. So we'll just pick this logo here. I will make it bigger. But just try to download it. So we'll just save this image to my hard drive. So we have these futuristic background images. I think they are pretty good. So we'll just pick one of them. Maybe this one is the easiest to use. See if it's big enough. I hope so. Then we will go back to the YouTube channel, modify the YouTube channel. First go to the branding, upload here the new logo that we want to use. I think that looks pretty good. I just use this one. Then I will go here to the banner image, just use this one. Yeah, it's big enough, that's fine. So we get started with that. Later on, I will add the basic information, stuff like that. But for now, I think it's important that we just have our channel. We will take a quick look how it looks like, and we will straight go into the other tools, generate our first short videos. So the channel is not updated now, but I just wanted to let you know here we have the channel name, we have no subscribers, no videos. So now we are getting started. tool I want to show you is Opus Clips. With Opus Clips, you can take clips of other people, automatically generate shorts out of it. So if I sign in here, I will just sign in with Google. When you sign in the first time, you will get, I think, 90 minutes here, as you see here, free uploads. What we will do now is to have a look actually what kind of videos we can go grab. So I am making this channel for the crypto industry. So I will go here out of the studio, will just type YouTube again. I will type, or if you don't know the industry, you could type crypto, whatever, crypto news or whatever is specific to you. I will go for a video that I know that is existing or I have seen in the last days. It's a video from Crypto Banter, as you probably may know. So I just click here, Crypto Banter, I go to the videos. I pick the video with Arthur Hayes because this was really a great video. What I do is I just pause this. I take the URL or get the shared URL from here from a video, copy it, go back to Opus Clips, and paste it in here. This video I think is about 46 minutes, so it will take about half of our time. What we can do now is we can actually shorten it, make it longer. I don't think we need to actually use all our minutes.
When you get a lead from a campaign,
then here I will just shorten it because I don't want to waste too much of the credits we have. So I will just put it down. Maybe we're using about 30 minutes in this. So we can do 3 videos, or I even get it down, let's say, to 20 minutes to save. So I just pick this. I will prefer length. I make below 30 seconds. Then topic filter by keyword is optional. Just went ahead, clicked on the clip. So you have to click on the YouTube URL button again. So next to the YouTube URL, you see here it's starting to fetch the interview. It's starting to fetch it from minute 18:16 to minute 40:13. This is about 29 minutes it will take. It has already produced or processed 10%. We will just wait now. I will be back as soon the clips are ready. Then we will just download the clips, upload them, see if we are getting subscribers. What we will also do is we will take or use vidIQ to be a little more informed about the keywords, the tags we can use. So I'm back as soon these video clips are generated. So as you see, I have good news. Here we see that the shorts are already generated. We have here a score which tells us how likely is that this goes viral. So here we have a title generated for us. We have some description generated for us. We should have all the videos down here. So you see this was already generating or still generating. Let's check if we have all of them. I think they're all ready. So we have 7. It's generated 7 videos for us. Maybe the time was too short to generate more. So if I click on this clip, I hope you can hear it. Let's listen to it.
Very nimble, very liquid.
Got it. So I want to pivot this discussion a little bit. So I've heard the man, we've heard the macroeconomic theories, we've heard the investor. I want to talk about us as a person. Like, you're back in Singapore now. You look fit as hell. Like, you look like you're strong and you've been training a lot. What keeps you busy? Like, the last time we spoke, you just got off the ski slope.
So I want to be very nimble, very liquid.
I think this is very good, as you see. So what I will do now is I will download all of these videos. As soon as I've downloaded all the shorts, we will continue because I want to show you where to find the right tags for it, what titles to use, how to continue, so we can start our first YouTube short channel and hopefully make loads of money. See you in a second. So now I've downloaded here the first video, just clicked on the button. Now it's getting exciting. I will upload our first short. Let's see what happens. So just select the file from my hard drive here, just select it and upload it. Then what we will do is, the title is already nicely in here. Let's have a look in Opus Clips if they give us a description as well. Now let's click at this edit button here, see what options we are getting here. You see here the part that it took. It's here. This is the part where it's also taking the caption from. So we could just lazily copy paste this part if we can do that. I'm not sure yet. It looks like we can do it. So I've copied this now, or I've marked it and pressed on the pencil icon. Now I think I can copy it. Let's see if this works now. I go back to the YouTube channel, copy it in. So it worked now. So you need to use a little trick. The trick is basically, I show you here, you have to mark it, then click on this pencil, copy it out of this field. Then it will work. So we will have the description here. What we need to do now is select a playlist. We don't have a playlist till now, so we will create a playlist. It will be crypto shorts. We don't put a description, we just leave it public. Then we just go ahead. No, it's not made for kids. Here, of course, it's very important that we do the tags. The tags are here. Where do we get the tags? Also for this, we need to go back to the vidIQ thing. I have to go here. If you have vidIQ installed, you will see on the left-hand side all these metrics about the video. You will see that this video actually took off really heavily compared to the other videos that they make. How many views they have? They have 103 million, it seems. Here you see the target group, but what we're looking for at the moment is the tags of this video. So what I can do is I just go ahead. If I can manage with this recording icon here, I just click on it. It should copy it and go back to my Safari, paste in all the tags. So I have all the tags that this video normally has got. I have got the modified title already. What else should we modify? We will just keep it like that. Say next. Then the subtitle, we don't need that at the moment. Checking if we have done everything right, so we'll just publish it. So public, publish. So today is the 9th of October, 12 p.m. We will have a look how fast we can grow this channel. What I will do now is I will go on, upload all the other videos that I have in my short channel. I will update you tomorrow what happens. Tomorrow we will also have a look at a different tool that I will use to make other kind of AI generated videos. So just one more thing is we go over to the channel, have a look. We see there is one short uploaded now. We don't have any views till now. We have no subscribers. We have one video. If I click on it,
So I want to be
it will play
very nimble,
automatically.
very liquid.
So of course, now we will probably have one view, but let's have a look tomorrow or in some days what's going to happen. So I see you in the next video. I hope that was useful. This is an experiment. I'm very excited to do this experiment together with you. See if we can use AI tools actually to generate some subscribers, views, finally, of course, also some money. 15 minutes later, no views, no likes, no subscribers.